Hi, I'm Vincent. Now I would like to present what I have done in independent learning. Firstly, let me introduce some of my learning objectives and explain why I have this learning objective. In my learning plan, I hope I can avoid careless grammar mistakes and develop the skills of presenting ideas fluently. Besides, I hope I can improve my grammar, my listening skills. Because in my major, I needed to write many pieces of academic essay. If my grammar, which I wrote, are incorrect and containing many careless mistakes, although the content is good, it is still not perfect. Besides, I needed to train myself in order to have a logical mind, in order to make my research progress effective. So I have chosen these two big effective to make myself can have more benefits in my university life. Also, after I graduate, I need to communicate with others by English. So I think listening skills is very important for me, and I think my listening skills is not good enough because I'm always miss the main point of another speakings. So I think listening skills is very important for me. To fulfill my first objective, first I have chosen HKCE past examination paper. Just like this. Since I've thought about that in this examination paper, I think I can correct my grammar mistakes by practicing more. But in fact, after I have finishing the exercise, it is not very useful for me. Not only because I can get 80% correct, but in this exercise, it is mainly focusing on finding words in the given passage, but not correcting the grammar mistakes. So I think it is not so useful. After that, I got some worksheets provided by ELC Center, and I have done one of them, which helping me to correct the grammar mistakes. Just like this. Like this. This time I face more difficulties than before. So before I wrote the answers on the answer sheet, I checked the grammar carefully, and I checked the grammar books and dictionaries. If I still got the wrong answer, I would look at the answer and I try to memorize it. Secondly, to fulfill to make my listening skill being improved, I have watching the movie and writing an evaluation. Like this and this. The movie which I have watched is Rambo the first part 2. After I have watched the movie, I've written an evaluation to comment this activity. I think this activity is good because by watching the movie, I can get most of the content in this movie, and after this activity, when I sit in the examination, I will feel tension and stress, so my performance is not good. But watching the movie can help me to get the content and listening skills. It is very useful for me. Lastly, in order to make the ability of presenting the ideas fluently, I have reading a book called Undercover Economy. After I read this book, I have written a comment on this book. It is very useful for me because in this activity, my ability of presenting ideas is strengthened. After doing all independent learning activities, I think the past paper is not very good because it can only bring me stress and tension, but it is not so effective when comparing with watching movies. Also, after doing this independent learning, I plan to have more listening practice, and mainly I will watching movies because I feel relaxed when I'm watching movies. As a learner, I think I should do the work by myself, and I should not passively do the independent learning and fulfill the basic requirement only. That's all for my digital story. Thank you.